Project time! Let's see what Rock Auto has for CVs. This'll work. Oh, this'll definitely go in my car.
Well, might have to try to bar it, I guess, first to try to break it, and then.
Okay.
Ready?
Just bend the steel pretty good, though.
All right, thicker steel, I guess. Woo!
Wow.
Holy, hey! Wow.
Get higher!
Oh. These guys are next. Wow. Phew.
Nice.
More dad tools. One. There you go. Woo. Okay, your next step is to get this end joint ball out of its socket here. And your best way to do that is to reef it downwards with some contraption while keeping the rotor up here. I'll show you. Ready? Yeah. Wow, done. Just like that. And then this thing can just come out of the. I'm just gonna get this out of this socket. Maybe we have to hammer it out or something, but yeah. Old car all over. Let's double check. Let's double check the playback. Basically, the whole CV axle just came out from here. From here. That's how stuck it is to our rotor. So the whole thing's out. Anyways, here's the broken one. Now we can put in a nice new one, but first we have to get it off the rotor. Yippee! There you go. Nice. Wow. All of today's projects are going really good. There you go.
Very
cool. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Can't get too much grease, I guess.
That's enough.
I think that's too much grease.
That's enough!
I think it's the perfect amount of grease. Wow. Can you believe some things just work? Holy! Incredible. What an incredible feeling. Yeah, boom. Looks good, I think. Let's find out. Wow, look at it move. Wow. It should be out. Should be out. I think we could just get this out with it staying in there like
There we
this.
go. Yep.
There you go. Woo! Wow. 1 week.
Hello. I like rusty spoons.
This is the roller pin that connects the CV to the transmission. There's 2 sides. We have this side, right? And then when you rotate it and the car is in neutral, you have this side, which is bigger. This is the opening where you're gonna put in the new pin. It's also the exit where you're gonna push out the old pin. So you don't wanna hit this side. You want to push it out from, keep going, this side, the smaller side. And just use a drill bit that seems to match the right size. This one's looking pretty good. It matches basically the exact same size, so just punch it out this way. Ta-da! The roller pin has been depinned. Here it is. I suppose it should just pull out now. Yep. Wow.
Wow.
Look at that. Okay. It's that easy. Here is the old one. You can see the makeshift bag apparatus to survive for a little bit. And here is the new hotness. Okay, let's put it in. All right. It just doesn't really want to go on. Don't tell me. This is the CV axle from a 2002 Impreza STI, which there is rumors circulating it perhaps might fit in this car. So we're gonna give it a try. Wow. Boom. There we go. Without any fuss. It is locked in. Now we just need to place the pin again in here, and we're basically good to go. This roller pin, by the way, has a small end and a big end. Small end goes in. Okay. Nice. There it is. Yep. Okay.
Wow.
Nice.
Look at that.
Could not be easier. Ugh. Come with me. There it is.